Education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. It empowers individuals, ignites their potential, and drives progress. A well-rounded education not only imparts knowledge but also fosters critical thinking, empathy, and the ability to confront the challenges of the world with wisdom and creativity. Success is not solely measured by one's accomplishments but by the resilience displayed in the face of adversity. It's the ability to keep moving forward, despite setbacks and challenges, that defines the true spirit of success. Each obstacle is an opportunity to learn, grow, and inch closer to one's goals. Compassion is the foundation of a just and harmonious society. It's the recognition of our shared humanity and the commitment to alleviate the suffering of others. By embracing compassion, we can bridge divides, foster understanding, and create a world where empathy and kindness prevail. Truth is not always simple or easily discernible. It often resides in the nuanced space between opposing viewpoints. Seeking the truth requires open-mindedness, critical thinking, and a willingness to explore diverse perspectives. It's a journey that may lead to uncomfortable truths, but it is through such discoveries that we grow and evolve.